Hey guys, Kxffie here, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to make a desktop app out of a website. And so first you'll want to make a file, I'll call it whatever. I'm just going to name it desktop app, and then you'll drag it into your editor. Then you want to open the terminal and type npx create electron app. Whoops, I forgot something. Don't copy that. Oh, never mind, it worked. Okay. So you see all this. I'm actually going to show this side of the bar for once. So let me just do this. Oh, no, wrong place. So once it's done, okay, it's basically already done, but it's just installing the npm dependencies. So, we can run npm start, and we can just run this real quick. And there we go. Here's your desktop app that you can make with HTML. Boom. And then you can make your own website as an app. But what if you already have a website? Oh, you can just go in here. Instead of load file, you'll do load URL. Get rid of this. And then you'll do, here's my website, https://www.mercuryexploits.xyz. And yeah, let's clean this up a bit. Okay. And let's make it a little bit better. We'll do web preferences, and then we could do what is it? Main window dot resizable is equal to false. Then we can just do a min width and a min height of, I don't know, 1280 720, so 720p. And yeah, let's run it again and let's see what it looks like. And here we go. Now anyways, the minimum thing isn't working, but whatever, it works. And yeah, this is my site, and yeah, ignore the little photos, they broke a bit. And then downloads here, you can download the actual file. This is what it will look like if we open it, and then boom, is the actual download with no taskbar or what. And yeah, that is how you make a desktop app out of a website. Thank you.